Look at her bumping him. He's got her leash again.
Oh, they're so cute together. You guys are so adorable. He's like, I know about you.
And Cass is so laid back.
He is. He completely is. He's like, whatever, okay.
Look, and then when she's not looking, he jumps. Casanova. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah, that's a good boy. Yeah, you're a good boy.